Today is single-handedly one of the biggest days I've ever had in my life. It's been a long time coming and I've worked extremely hard to get to this point right here. Wasn't sure how the airport would look at this time, but it's actually not busy at all. The only thing that I noticed that's a little bit different is that you don't need to show your boarding pass in the security line. You just show your ID and somehow they know where you're going, or you just get in that way. So that's the only thing that changed. And you gotta pull your mask down so they can verify it's you. Other than that, everything looks pretty normal. Someone's getting a security check. Ricky move, man, Ricky move. What is going on, everybody?
Dude,
what happened?
I just went through like TCA security. And they threw away my face lotion, my body lotion, and my shaving cream. So we have to go get that.
We'll start a GoFundMe for Dustin, man.
GoFundMe account, please, link down below.
We're in, locked and loaded. It's hot in here.
Service to Los Angeles.
What's going on, guys? We are here with Michael.
Hi.
We're here with Dustin.
Hello.
The bus ride that we had from LAX to the rental car place, it was like a freaking Vienna sausage can. They packed us in there, so many people, and I was like, man, this is low-key sketch. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. Do you guys know what the point of this video is? Before we keep watching this video without knowing the real premise of everything, we're buying a car today, boys. I've been all over with this video. I don't know how I'm putting it together, but we're about to see the car. I don't even know what to say. I haven't ate all day, not even hungry. Juices are flowing.
I'm about to give y'all some fire B-roll, so stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Dustin, are you ready?
I haven't ate anything. All I've had was coffee. So yes, I am excited and I'm in shock.
So Mike is gonna take over the camera. He's gonna do the B-roll, but I'm gonna be talking to the owner and stuff. We're gonna hash a couple things out, do our test drive, then go over the paperwork. So credit to Mike for doing all the camera work that you guys are about to see. Everybody, round of applause for Mike. Thank you, thank you.
This guy's excited.
Yeah, dude.
This guy's fucking hyped up.
What's up, bro? Cool, man. Sorry about the wait. Yeah, check the car, yeah. Damn, dude. This is it. Can you start it up?
Yeah, of course. You can do it.
Oh, I can do it. Okay.
Your car.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Damn, dude. Holy moly. I don't even know what to say.
Hard work, baby.
Right now. Cool. So, I just drive around the... Yeah.
Because the yeah, those up for us. So I have to go to the bank. Verify for us. Yeah. I'll just do like one down.
You're shooting in 200 frames per second. You want your shutter speed?
That's fine. I think it's on automatic.
Oh, it is.
Good in
Okay.
this.
Yeah?
He looks fucking good. Like it?
Yeah, I love it. Let's do the deal, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let's see. Oh, I get the Mercedes too? Nice, man. Thank you. All right, yeah, let's go. Just go in the bank and then we can do all the paperwork there.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Here's the keys for now.
Lock it.
Yeah, I think I did. Dude, that thing. Wow. Dude,
You're not the same.
What's up, man? If you could do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. If you don't know me, Young Mikey in the cut. They call me. You don't want to know what they call me.
Hey, I don't have a channel, so I'm just the guy who's here. I'm third wheeling.
This is amazing,
I
man.
feel weird. I should take my mask off, huh?
Yes and no. We almost got to be like, yeah. Follow us on the ground. We both got nice teeth. We out here.
Yeah, for sure.
But
Definitely.
Alex is going into the bank. He's gonna handle his business. But this is a proud moment, man. I'm glad to be a part of it. You know what I'm saying?
It's a moment of history right now.
Yes, it is. Hard work and dedication can get you anything you want, guys. Trust. I know it's cliche. I know you're tired of hearing it. But facts is facts, bro. Data is data.
The numbers don't lie.
Yes, sir. If a dead YouTube channel gets you this, well, y'all better start working on your videos, man. I don't hear no hate in the comments. You show respect.
Yep.
You know the code.
See what I mean?
They have like couple tune, but I
tires?
think the tune right now is that.
Yeah.
Different.
Bro, even the rims, Lord have mercy.
This I want to post this, but I can't.
I know, we gotta be low key, right? I like his idea though.
I do too.
It's a great video.
Dope, right?
Yeah, hell yeah.
You will know like how many percent the 85 right now.
Okay.
So it's not 8%, so it's like totally like zero.
Okay.
And if you want flame, try to do like all E85.
Yeah.
Put this one on high boost 3R. Touch this button will be down. Hold this button, touch the gas.
Okay.
You will get the flame.
Oh, can you do it right now?
No. You know, like to be honest, the flame is not really good for car.
Yeah. You ready, Mike?
Yeah. Damn.
Lights turn on. Like, this shit is mean, man.
Yeah, it is. This looks way better in person than it did in the video.
Oh, for sure. Like, he
Almost
showed,
thought
me,
it
he
was-
showed me a picture of it, bro. I was just like, okay, that's sick.
Yeah.
But then I seen, like, this carbon fiber shit. Oh,
I honestly thought it was matted from the video.
I'm gonna take a picture real quick.
okay, you want me to do it?
Yeah, please.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Send me in the vlog.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks, bro. I'll see you
Thank
soon
you.
then.
Enjoy.
I'll hit
Yeah.
you up.
Tonight or tomorrow morning?
Okay.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah,
Thanks, bro.
promise.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Take it easy, man.
Wow. It still doesn't feel real. Thank you guys for waiting. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, for sure. Anytime.
Yeah, that seat is not really meant to be a seat.
Are you good?
Good, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, damn. This actually got some leg room for sure.
I already tell. It reminds me of my Evo a little bit, but so much better. Alright, later, bro.
Pull out, get
You
in my
have to
bus.
pull out fucking dope right now. I don't care if I get hurt.
We're gonna do a loop-de-loop first. I want wanna drive it like straight a little bit.
Just fuck, dude.
just a
I want
little
you to
bit.
just gun this.
I want to gun it too, but we gotta be safe.
Look at this crystal quality, man. So, first impressions, bro. How you feeling?
I feel great. I feel like I haven't unleashed the beast yet, so I don't know how to feel, but we're gonna try it out real quick. Damn, bro. This is low-key scary, bro. This is low-key.
Oh shit!
Gosh.
Holy.
My knees are hurting, but it's okay.
Now we're gonna park this thing. We're gonna eat and then
Low-key,
we'll drop it off.
As you can see, we got some big fellas in here.
Small fella right here, bro. Medium pack.
We got small, medium, large in here, I guess.
See how we do on here. Oh shit! Oh! Wow.
Do you like really want to punch it, but you're just kind of like, nah?
Yeah,
I want you to punch it.
I can't punch this, dude.
You can right here. Oh, I thought you were gonna.
Seriously,
okay.
I can't. Oh, just flip a
I
bitch
know
and
with
punch
the
it.
with the other cars around and
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is fucking crazy.
Are you gonna take this to the track?
shit. I am too scared. I feel like I'm gonna
Just punch it right here.
One thing I realized is that you can have all the money in the world, you can have all the coolest things, but if you don't have somebody to enjoy it with, it really means nothing. Look at the expression on our faces, man. We're having the time of our lives right here, and these are memories that I'm gonna take with me for the rest of my life.
Bro, god dang.
Oh my god!
I think my stomach just went
I
in
think
my
my
head.
balls just dropped, bro.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Alright, we need to park this thing,
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh, that's crazy.
I just wanted to thank you guys on YouTube for making this possible. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting this car for, I think, over 10 years now. I told myself I get it, and today happened to be the day. Man.
Yeah, bro, big
Dude.
things. 2021, Lord have mercy. It's just the beginning though, right?
This is just the beginning. Just the beginning.
What's retail on this car originally, you
I think
know?
it's over 100 if you get it brand new.
So
But he sold it for the blue book value of the car, of a stock car. So that's like no brainer to get it with all the stuff on it, you know?
yeah.
There's a garage right here to your right.
Let's see if I can get in this thing. Just walking around. You want me to turn it off? I don't even know what to say, dude. Where's my mask? Oh, right here. Thanks, dude. Thanks for recording. Shout out to Mike for recording. I'm upside down right now. Shaking a little bit. Bro, this is my freaking dream car right here, guys. And once again, this would not be possible without you. So, thank you, for real. Long time coming for this one. There's a GTR? Alright guys, let's go. If you want an owner that keeps you clean, hit me up. I will be driving one of those in a couple years. Godzilla. So let me just show you guys what I got here from Target. With the carbon fibre hood, son. Clickbait, I bought a GTR. Oh my god. Hopefully I'll be able to get one of these one day.
A lot of hard work, dedication, fucking planning.
That's definitely possible. 100% possible.
Yeah.
Wait.
Everything out here's for free.
I forgot my bag in my car. Are you gonna unlock it or?
Yeah, I got you.
Click, click. Oh, dude, the camera's recording us. It's a camera recording a camera. Beautiful machinery right there. I love it. Wide body GTR. Woo. One day, man. This thing is so damn nice. Does that look familiar?
Is that carbon fiber?
Carbon fibre. So right now, I'm about to test drive my dream car, a freaking Nissan GTR Silver. Today was a special day. Not because of the car, but because of the journey that it took for me to earn this thing. My intentions for this video is not to brag or boast, but I strictly wanted to film it to show you guys that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Not only that, but if you speak it into existence. I believe that when you speak, you're putting yourself in that mindset to live up to those expectations. Always remember that whatever you say is extremely powerful and your tongue is just painting a picture for your future. With that being said, I want you guys to paint a super dope future for yourselves. And once again, I wanted to thank each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and keeping me going along this journey. I'm not stopping here. We're just barely getting into it, but this one meant a lot to me, man, especially if you guys have been following me for the longest time. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Stay consistent, keep working hard, and keep pushing, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. I'm out. Peace.